workflow, because workflow, it will not have much in the coding side. It is like a design side and the process only. So if you have concept, if you know what is function module and the other things, if you know how to write the select statement and other stuffs, then you can easily learn workflow, and you can learn the workflow in just 20 days, just 20 days. So if you start class tomorrow, by 20th of December you will get a confident. That's very much possible.
So moreover, how much experience I mean, how much after this course? How much
you can put
can I claim this?
For 3 years, 4 years, more than that. Even I will, because whatever the topics I will be teaching, it's all based on the real-time scenarios. So whatever the topics I'm teaching, that same example only you can put it in your resume. Same thing you can put it, because in my companies I have worked on those modules and those scenarios. So the same thing I'm training it for you. So even if you see my resume also, the same thing will be there. And I will be giving the notes also to you.
Will you be helping us in preparing the profile?
Yeah, maybe you can, whatever. Yeah, maybe first whenever I'm giving the training, right? Like I will give the scenario, so you can write down also, like before taking the class I will give the scenario. You can write down it. Later you can combine it as a profile. It's no problem, man. We can do it.
Yeah, what I think is I will show 3 years on ABAP and 2 years on workflow. How it would be?
Yeah, it is also fine. Like totally 5 years you wanted a project, like, or you can say I'm working for the last 4 or 5 years, and I will be working in the same workflow also and ABAP also, like based on the projects I'll be shifting it and I'll be working parallelly, like that also you can say. So it is not like when you are coming to the workflow, it is not that you will not work in ABAP. So even whenever I'm getting project, I used to work on ABAP. Also I used to work on whenever project comes, I used to work on workflow projects also. So it is like ABAP and workflow are both of the technical modules, like it's like both of them can work in the either of the modules, or sometimes we can work parallelly also, like WebBeam Pro only. So some WebBeam Pro resources will work on ABAP project also, some WebBeam Pro also, right? The same way here also. Yeah, and when you learn workflow, it is very easy for you to learn WebBeam Pro also. You can learn WebBeam Pro yourself, because the same concept, same things will be working there also. The same MEC architecture, lot of things will be the similar. It will be same. Only thing you will be designing here, but in WebBeam Pro you will be designing in the other screen, and it will be open in the web browser. That's all. That is the only thing. Backend concept, everything is same. Yeah. So
these are the few things to have.
Yeah. So what time? What about the timings?
The thing is, right now means I'm into, strictly speaking, I'm into this teaching field. I teach in an engineering college.
Okay.
Or they are paying us very less, and even after that there is no consistency. Nowadays the admissions have gone down like anything.
Yes, exactly.
Growth is, we don't know when they are gonna be fired.
Oh, okay.
Getting myself trained in this.
Yeah. It's a good time, like we can.
A lot of hopes with.
So if you cooperate, like and I will, whenever I'm taking the class, I will give the notes, and also at the end of the session I can give you some homework also, like you can do this, so you can practice it. They will give the 3 months, 2 months, I guess. They will give the login and password, means they will give the system for you, so that you can practice. And when you practice for 1 month, I think you can learn the workflow, man. Don't worry. It's not very hard. Once if you understand the concept, it's very simple.
And Santosh, do you know how much they are charging for this? Do you know about it?
No, not I don't know how much charging because I have to. They will not disclose that with the faculty. I'm not sure. So
Okay, yeah,
that
that's why
yeah,
I'm asking you. Do
yeah.
you know? Okay.
No, maybe Aparna or Radha can. So only those two can help that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Acha, Santosh, one more thing is, how about this job market for coming 6 months or 1 year? Uh, how about, means, do you know any idea means how the workflow
Which
would be?
which one module you're asking?
In workflow,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, workflow and adapt. How is the
Okay.
market right now, and what what we can expect in coming 6 months or 1 year?
The market is now SAP market. Always have the no demand like every time. So there are a lot of companies. Are you based out of Hyderabad?
Yeah, I'm right. I'm at Hyderabad.
Okay. So I'm actually in Bangalore. In Bangalore, there are a lot of companies and a lot of things are there, small companies and big companies. Every day they are taking a lot of interviews and all these things. Hyderabad side, I am not sure because I never been to Hyderabad. So in
Actually,
Bangalore
I'm
side, there are a
planning.
lot.
This is how I'm planning this. This is the semester. After
Yeah.
this, we are gonna get some summer vacations, like around 3 weeks or something.
Okay.
So I have plans to go to Bangalore on
Oh,
those
okay.
vacations.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. In Bangalore side, there are a lot of openings. Like there are a lot of
What I mean to
no.
say is, right now the situation is not that good. Everybody is stopping me from taking this course, but
Okay.
I thought that I would discuss with you and I'll come to conclusion, because most of them are not knowing the things. Since you are very much connected with the field, so
Yeah.
I thought of discussing the things with
Yeah, actually, no. Here, my knowledge, lot of recruitment, there is going on. So, in Bangalore side, there are a lot of openings. Now, in SAP side, it's always have the demand.
you.
Even ABAP, in SAP, if you take technical, only ABAP and workflow are there. Even some WebDean Pro also there. But, this, most of the people are going with ABAP and WebDean Pro only. So, and, there are very few people have the, they should come, yeah, everybody is going in the same way. It is like there are so many, people are there with that in the market
Mm.
who knows maybe don't have that. So if you know workflow, then you are little unique from other people. So
Yeah.
even yeah, so that's why if you want to different from the other people, then you can learn workflow. So very few people know workflow actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but if you have, there are a lot of companies who, yeah, have that this one pro also, yes. So, but learning workflow, it is not a very big this thing like you can spend for 20
I just
days.
want to spend around 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours per day. Will it be enough?
Yeah, yeah, it will be more than sufficient.
Okay,
Like
maybe.
if you, yeah, if you spend for that in 1 month, you can become very good in workflow, and you will get a full confident.
Okay.
And whatever the topics I
Okay,
am teaching, that
yeah,
is yeah, yeah, that topic is the final. Like if you know everything of that topic, then there is nothing else to know in the workflow. So you can say I'm master in the workflow like that. So I'm covering all the topics.
yeah. Okay, fine, Santosh.
So what is your plan? Like you are trying to take the session, or like so what will be the timings if you are if at all you are taking, or you
The
wanted to
evening
think
timings
sometime?
are comfortable from evening times, 5 o'clock.
Okay, after 5 o'clock. Yeah. So if at all you are when in the class, we can take separate. training also for you, like in the evening time, 6 o'clock or something, or 6:30, 6:30 to 7:30 or 8 every day. We can schedule it, and we can have a session. We can complete it by maybe next month. So you can practice more another 1 month. So
Yes.
maybe end of December.
Hello,
Yeah.
Alim?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I can't
Hello.
hear
Can you hear
you.
me?
No, sir.
How is it okay now? Hello. Hello. I just call you.